Hey little kids, welcome back to my channel. I am back with a new video for you. Today I will learn you how to draw a beautiful rainbow birthday cake. Here I am drawing the candles and then I will draw the birthday cake. Follow my every steps and try to draw with me. It is very easy to draw a happy birthday cake. I draw the birthday cake. Now it's time to color it. Here I am using a watercolor to color this beautiful birthday cake. I am using here deep blue color for all the candles. Now I am using yellow color for the cake's first layer. Here I am using the light blue color. And this is deep pink color. Now I am using the brown color for the second layer of this cake. Using rainbow color, red color, orange color, yellow color, light green color, light blue color, deep pink color and purple color. These all are rainbow colors. Now I am using the deep green color for the third layer of this cake. using the red color for the hearts. And now I'm using deep pink color for these two hearts. And the last one I'm using the light blue color for the third layer of this cake. Wow, the rainbow cake is looking so beautiful. Try to draw this at home. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. I will be back with new interesting videos for you. Till then, bye bye little kids.